Hi, this is Linda with 60 Seconds of STEM. Today I'm going to talk about Ozobot, which is a cute little robot that you program by drawing out color codes. Simply place your Ozobot on the line and he will read each color code and do the appropriate action that color code means to him. For those students that are ready for more advanced programming, you can program Ozobot using Blockly in a browser. Ozobot is great at engaging students in introductory coding concepts. Simply draw a line, add some color, and watch Ozobot go. Thanks for watching.